I am very happy to say that BCIC has organized this function very well, and especially they spoke more about farmer and food processing. That is very important. So this is actually a very good program and it should continue, and the excellent award ceremony, that it's really a very good program.
It has been a wonderful occasion to be participating in this event today. It's a great initiative by the Bangalore Chamber of Industries and Commerce, particularly for ensuring taking out technology and AI to the farmers and connecting them with the consumers. And it will go a long way. The discussions were very productive and there were a good number of speakers and I enjoyed the whole event. Thank you.
So, hi, good evening. This is Narendra here from Udyami Solutions, CEO of Udyami Solutions. So, and I am a district resource person for PMFME scheme. We stand as a bridge between the entrepreneur, banker and government schemes and subsidies. And we give complete end-to-end solutions starting from project report preparations to loan disbursement plus subsidy development. Today we are coming into the event of reimagining of agro-tech organized by BCIC. We are really amazed to be a part of it. And such kind of events are really helping the entrepreneurs to get connected, and the networking is happening towards the development of their business. So my heartfelt congratulations to BCIC for organizing such a wonderful event, and I look forward for furthermore such events related to the agri-tech events at BCIC. Thank you.
Today's event, it was quite inspiring. I'll tell you the reason is because, see, first of all, the speakers, very accomplished people who have spent all their career in agriculture in various different ways, in the corporate sector, building huge companies, or in the FPO sector, building or creating the policy framework, from the running FPOs, and from the tech side, building companies, from the dairy, from the agriculture sector. A lot of very good speakers, panelists were there. It inspires you that so much can be done and so much more needs to be done. It also is it was also a good way to reconnect to the purpose that ultimately agriculture is the biggest sector, and tech or whatever we are doing in the agriculture sector, it is important that we impact the sector in a positive way so that the impact spreads everywhere, and reaches the people that it actually needs to reach. So that purpose it was summed up very well finally also by the final speaker, that this is really the purpose and this is what we are working towards. So that way I think BCIC Karnataka, this was an awesome event. So thanks for that. Yeah.
We as part of the BCIC Agri and Food Processing Committee, we conduct various sessions, knowledge sessions. We impart sessions to different people, different sections of people in the sector. We also do industry visits. We disseminate knowledge, and this year we thought about to have one conference where we wanted to basically talk about two things. As India going to the next phase of growth, we wanted to have a session on reimagining agri and food sector, and thereby we wanted to invite people experienced, distinguished, having long career to talk on their experience and also their insights, which can help us to envision the future of the agri and food sector. We also this time designed the agri and food awards, whereby we wanted to recognize the efforts of companies who are making an impact in the field of agriculture through sustainability, through innovation, and through having impactful farmer connect. We will continue to have these sessions. We will continue to connect with various sections of people and companies across agricultural sector, and that's the initiative from BCIC we will do and try to make it much bigger and much impactful.
The conference on agro-processing organized by the BCIC was an outstanding event. It was an event that celebrated the food processing industry, the challenges, the achievements, and the goals ahead of the industry using technologies like AI and robotics. I think it's a great way to integrate technology with the reality of agriculture. And I wish all the startups who have participated today the very best in their business. I think there is a great future for food processing in this country and for healthy, nutritious products in this country. And I am confident that the conference today will be a kickstart to that movement of the country towards healthier and better foods.
I am Narasimha Nakshatri, mentor Agro-Food Processing Committee of Bangalore Chamber of Industry and Commerce. I am with this BCIC for the last 14 years, and 2022 I am the co-chairman of the committee. Currently I am the last 4 years I am as a mentor, and it's a wonderful experience working with the BCIC for the last so many years, learning a lot and good networking. And in addition to that, today's program, the first time Agro-Food Processing Committee, we have organized the Agro Industries Conclave and also award ceremony. It was a wonderful program. We received good number of the nominations, and we were able to connect, we were able to evaluate all those nominations and selected good one of them. And in addition to that, we have also got many number of delegates, they have come. So it was a wonderful program. Today's program is a most successful program I have seen for the last so many years. Thank you so much.
Very good afternoon. I am Prakash, the co-chairman of the Agri-Food Processing Committee of the BCIC. I was involved in this entire program starting from concept through to everything during the planning stage and then also the execution. Happy that it went off very well. When I say went off very well, I think we have a lot of takeaway from this event, and then that is what I look for, action points for future programs. We would like to see that the whole program really benefits the agri-food sector and more so the farmers of the country. Thank you.
Hello, good afternoon. I am Prashant Gokhale, President of BCIC as well as Managing Director of Bureau India. We have 25 expert committees, and Agro and Food Expert Committee is the most vibrant expert committee across all our sectors. They represent not only the members, but they represent the extreme, I would say the entire value chain of from the farm to the fork. And this event shows that how it is important. First time we are doing this event after long. First time we have also given the awards to the entrepreneurs. And this is all about how do we inspire the new generation to get into the food security, food safety, talking about technologies, driving that what this country has built it onto the white innovation with milk. Similar thing, there is a time has come for our food grains, for our fruits and vegetables, what we are doing it today. It is mainly a self-sufficiency for us today, but we have a leadership to bring the food bowl for the world out of India. And this type of events encourages to provoke those thought leadership across the members. So again, I thank and congratulate our expert committee, Agri and Food Expert Committee for conducting this event. Now the bar is raised over here, so next year we expect it will go to the next level. Thank you very much.